Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have the Mppt. It's a solar charge controller. I have my battery set up here in my van, and I need some controller stuff to get the solar that we just put on to work with it as well. And so this is going to be the system here. I'll show you what it looks like here, and probably won't be able to show you it necessarily connected because it's going to be connected. I mean, I could put it on a wall somewhere, but I don't want to. I'm going to be sticking it on the inside wall in there, so it won't necessarily be visible. But this is what it looks like here. You have your connections here to go out to your battery, your load, if you want to have it go straight through. And then, I don't know, the PV, I guess that's it. It has RJ45 connector, I guess, to do some connections to it as well. It's got a little internal fan, which is nice, so it keeps it cool. We got our little mounting stuff here and our connectors here. Those are the little solar connectors that come from the wire solar panel down. So you're just gonna connect those up into the solar panel, and that's really it. Super easy to do. And then once it's all connected here, you just kind of configure it and everything. Let's see, is there a manual? I don't know if there even is. Oh, here's the manual for it here. So this is going to explain how to set it up. Should be pretty straightforward. Yeah, basically putting it all in there. I guess you can remove this cover down here to get some stuff wired into it if you want to have it invisible where you don't see the wires coming underneath. But pretty easy to go. Battery connection there, just shows you connecting it up. And then the panel, just all the stuff there. So you basically gets you good AC and DC out of this thing. So you'll have your solar panels that'll connect the solar all the way up into my battery. So cool, I like it. Thumbs up.